Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to record phone calls on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure your device is on iOS 18. For that, open the Settings app and access General. Inside it, access About and make sure that your iOS version is 18 or above. Once you have it, you will be able to record calls. Now, before you initiate the call, make sure to let the other person know that you're recording. It's important to inform them first, or you can leave it as it is, as an announcement will be made once the recording starts. Simply open the dialer app on your mobile device and call the target person. Once done, tap on the record icon at top left corner and a drop-down menu will open up. Inside it, select the record feature and there will be a counter. After it's done, the announcement will be made. After you're done with the recording, press the stop icon and then access Notes to listen to the recording. So that's basically how you can record phone calls on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.